Let's see how we would calculate GDP if we had this sort of table using the expenditure approach. So we have lots of different expenditure components here in this column, and then we have the dollar value in this column. So the first thing we'd want to do is we'd want to figure out which portion of GDP would each of these items be part of. So remember, we have C plus I plus G plus X minus M. So if we look at each item on this list, we can then classify them into one of those categories. So durable goods, that is consumption. Non-durable goods, that's consumption. Services, that's consumption. Gross investment, well, that's investment. And then remember, the government purchases are federal, state, and local government. So we're going to include both of those under G, and then exports are X, and then imports are M. Remember, our formula is C plus I plus G plus X, but the negative component is M. So whenever we import stuff, it decreases our GDP. So if we then did the math, so our C plus I plus G plus X minus M, we would take this 762.3 plus 945.2 plus 2123.7 plus 1845.6 plus 978.1 plus 456.2 plus 127.8, but then we're going to subtract out the imports at 193.2. So if we did all that math, we would come up with 7,045.7. So that's how we would use the expenditure approach to calculate GDP.